In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your work with clients in Wrike. Sharing your projects the right way is really important because it lets your clients see exactly what's going on without you having to send constant status updates. I'll walk you through the full process from inside Wrike, and by the end, you'll be able to confidently give your clients access to the work you want them to see. First, start by opening Wrike and navigating to the project you'd like to share. This might be a client-specific project, a campaign, or any folder that contains tasks and timelines you want them to review. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and space, then look for the project in your folder tree or project list. Take a second to double check that this is the exact project you want to make visible, because everything inside it will become accessible to the people you share it with. Once you've selected the right project, look towards the top of the screen for the share option. This is usually located near the project title or in the project's header area. Click on Share to open the sharing settings. This is where you decide who gets access and, depending on your Wrike plan, what level of access they will have. In the sharing window, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. This is where you add your client. Start typing their email carefully. And if Wrike suggests an existing contact, you can select it. If it's a new person, just type the full email address. It's a good idea to confirm with your client which email they prefer to use for project access, especially if they have multiple accounts. Before you move on, quickly review what you're sharing. Make sure that the project doesn't contain any internal-only tasks, notes, or attachments that you don't want clients to see. If it does, you may want to move those items to a separate internal project before proceeding. When you're happy with the settings and the email you've entered, click on Save. This applies the sharing changes and sends an invitation or notification to your client, depending on how your Wrike setup is configured. Your client will then be able to open the project, review tasks, check timelines, and stay in the loop directly in Wrike. That's all you need to do to share your work with clients in Wrike. Select the right project, click Share, add their email, and save your changes.